we got a M4 2022 convertible going up on the lift. Next, we got a GExhaust catback, full stainless steel with a titanium coating, looking super, super clean. You guys see it, the custom GExhaust engraving, the plaque to know that's from GExhaust. This is our 7th M4 system we've done. Does come full bolt-on, no cutting, no welding required. We did something special for this customer. He requested to have a resonated mid-pipe. He's worried about rasp. He wanted to do downpipes in the future. So everybody was recommending him he do a resonated mid-pipe. So we made it happen. We have an equalization chamber with a resonated mid-pipe here for him. Special request for the customer. If you don't mind paying a little extra, we don't mind making it happen for you. So again, just to recap, full valve control catback. You want to go aggressive, you open that baby up. You want to keep it quiet, you close it. You got a resonated mid-pipe to refine some of that sound. So less rasp. The M3s and M4s, especially the G bodies, they're a little less raspy than the F bodies, but they're known to be pretty raspy, especially when you run downpipes. So customer has some big plans, tuning downpipe, typical BMW owner, but we want to set him up correctly for the future. So valve control catback, resonated mid-pipe, full bolt-on, 2-to-1 midsection for the midsection, and a set of M carbon tips, which are going to look pretty damn sweet out the back. This is a flat gray, like a metallic gray, like an AMG style paint with a convertible black top. So it's going to look pretty damn awesome, especially with those carbon fiber tips. It's going to match the rest of the spec of the car. The car's got that gray. The top is black, just like this carbon fiber, which again is a free upgrade from GExhaust. If you buy a catback for a BMW, we don't have to put our logo on it. You want an M logo on it, we got you. We make it happen. So like I said, one of the best upgrades you can run. You don't have to spend $6,000, $7,000. People are retailing these systems for $5,000, which is fucking nuts. We're doing a lot less installed. Keep that in mind. If you guys have a M4, M3, M2, we got systems available for it. So hit us up. Just set up this GExhaust catback on this brand new M4. This is another M4 with a CS conversion, but we're doing these pretty much all day. Look, another BMW pulls up. There's an M2 in the back, an M2 CS, which is pretty sweet, and the GT3 on the lift, or a GT3 in front of the shop. And that ain't no regular GT3. That's a GExhaust catback on a GT3, which is pretty fucking pimp. So GExhaust catback on a GT3, GExhaust catback on a M4 convertible, which, you know, most people don't sell catbacks for convertibles. We sell catbacks for convertibles, my boy. And yeah, man, you got a brand new M4, M3, just like this one. You want to do an MC, you know, quad SC, what the fuck's the shit called? CS conversion, like the side pipes, we doing that too. The next video you guys are gonna see is a GExhaust catback with the CS conversion. So it's gonna be sick. Got my boy the carbon fiber rear diffuser to get the nice little side pipes on it, which is similar to this one. Just want to show you guys real quick. So essentially this design right here with the CS conversion, which is going to be pretty sweet. So we slapped some high flow catted downpipes on this one, a GExhaust mid pipe already equipped, and a valve controller to control the valves 100%. So we're doing all this type of shit, man. You see this beamer here, this is a 240i. Got our GExhaust tips on there, the M Performance carbon tips. We're probably going to delete the muffler or maybe a resonator delete on this one. As you guys can see, this is the spot for BMWs, Porsches, Ferraris, Lamborghinis, McLarens, you name it, we got you at fucking GExhaust. Don't look at that fucking Toyota Solera on the lift. We do repairs too, my boys. Some fucking old lady on the street fucked up her cat. Come to GExhaust, we fix that shit too. We out.